Hello and welcome to this video. This is going to be a quick unboxing of something called a big leaf bag. It's a large bag that goes behind your walk-behind mower. This is a thing that I'll talk about in a moment. Here's some installation supplies. So that's what it looks like. It's enormous, which is cool. This goes with that stuff. So one feature that's nice is this mesh side allows air that's coming through here from your mower to shoot out the edge. Because look how long this is. It basically extends up the entire length of the handlebars of your mower, and so I think it needs a lot of I think it needs these mesh sides so that the blades can push the leaves way up into it. It's got this zipper at the top and it's conical shaped. It's thicker at this end than at that end, so that it's easy to get the leaves out, which is cool. So one cool thing about it is it comes with this flap that'll cover the front end so leaves don't fall out, and they send you snaps and the thing to install the snaps and pins and glue. And then this board to put this little anvil against. And then if you don't want to install the snaps, they send you these safety pins that you can use in place of snaps. So it attaches to your the metal part that already goes with your mower. So that's actually pretty cool that it comes with all that stuff. I tried installing the snaps and some of them worked okay, but others, when you try to snap them together, they just won't go. I'm not always the best at installing snaps, but so I backed it up with the safety pin. But this is what it looks like. Here's the flap. The flap goes over the mouth of the hole when you're done filling it. So now let me put it on the mower. Here it is installed. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye.